on the Free World Investing. Today we're going to be going over some charting skills on Robinhood. Now, Robinhood is awesome because it's commission free. They're also giving away free stocks right now. So check out the link in the description if you haven't already joined. Alright, so going over this. Now normally it starts off with a line, but we're going to switch it over to the bars by using the last button on the right. And boom, bars. Now if you don't know how to read these bars, now it's an open and close. If it's red, that means it went down for the day. If it's green, that means it went up. Now the lines, that means it's either the high or the low, and that's how far it got to in that market phase. Now if you press the button, you can see the change for the day. You can see the open, close, change percent range, and the volume. Now volume trading is very different than just normal trading by price action, but they have the 24-hour volumes. They do not have volume charts though. But if you use other trading software like TradingView, which is also in the description, you could also get volume charts and a lot more other awesome features. Now to go on, we can switch from 1 year, 1 month, 3 month, 1 year, and 5 years. Now the benefit of this is to see where they are on a moving average, because trading with the moving average is very, very popular. It also helps to know where you are with the market cap. It helps you to determine whether or not the investment is still there and if the market is continuing to go up. Now when you're doing 5 years, then you only have a couple days. You have weeks at a time. It's weeks at a time for those. Weeks at a time for a year. Days at a time for 3 months. Days at a time for 1 month. Hours for a time at 1 week. And 10 minutes at a time for a day. Now, you use this to determine where you're at. So we're at a 3-month low for Apple. And we're at a 3-month low for the year. In 5 years, it's been going up for the past 5 years. And because this is months at a time, we might be seeing an up curve. But it's still kind of early in the month. So we might see a resistance line right here. So for the 5-year graph, we're looking at a month. So right here, this will probably be the support line up top on the upper end of this red candle. So it might be going there. It might be stopping right here because of this line, this support area right here. It's kind of hard to say, but if you believe in Apple, then you should know that it's probably going to go up regardless. Now, if you want, you can look at the line. It does make it a little bit easier for some people, but for me, I do like to have the bars and the opens and close. Now, besides the graphing, you could also look at recent news, analyst ratings, earnings, and what else people have bought that as well. Now, currently, we're at 49% buy and a 51% hold, 0 sells, which kind of means that it still might be going a little bit further down and challenging that support line. And that's why they're saying that. But they're saying that it's still going to be a good long-term investment. So, regardless if you get in now or later, Apple will probably be going up. Alright, that's going to be all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a like and subscribe if you like it. And check out my other